how to use a drill bit in a Makita impact driver. So you come to use your impact driver and you have all drill bits like this, and when you enter it, you notice it doesn't stay in. What you do need is a drill bit with a hex cut out like this. Now this is a drill bit holder. All you need to do is put it in like that, pull this out, puts it in. Now it's stuck in. Then you can get your drill bits. Now this one doesn't fit in here, but you can get drill bits to fit into the bit holder like that. However, if you have a box full of bits like this, what I recommend is getting a chuck adapter. Now this turns your impact driver into an ordinary drill of sorts. So you put it in like that, then you can put any size drill bit in here. It basically turns your impact driver into an ordinary drill. Tighten it up, and there you go. So there's a few different methods depending on what equipment you have. I do like the idea of this, however, over time I do recommend start getting drill bits with the hex cut out if you want to fully utilise. So there are a few options how to turn your Makita impact driver into a drill. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.